Nattokinase is an enzyme. An enzyme is a type of protein that speeds up chemical reactions in the body. This particular enzyme is found in a traditional Japanese food called natto. The proposed mechanism by which nattokinase benefits heart health is primarily through its fibrinolytic activity. In simple terms, this means it has the ability to help break down fibrin. Fibrin is a tough, insoluble protein that forms a mesh-like network. That mesh creates blood clots, a crucial process to stop bleeding when we're injured. However, when clots form excessively or obstruct blood flow within arteries, they can lead to dangerous conditions. Nattokinase appears to break down fibrin directly. It may also enhance the body's own production of clot-dissolving agents, such as plasmin. This dual-action effect may help maintain healthy blood circulation and prevent the formation of life-threatening thrombi. Several human studies have explored this effect. For instance, a 2016 randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trial was published in Integrated Blood Pressure Control. The study involved 79 subjects who took either a nattokinase supplement or a placebo for 8 weeks. The results showed a statistically significant reduction in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure in the nattokinase group compared to placebo. While the reductions were modest, even small drops in blood pressure can contribute to lower lifetime cardiovascular risk. This suggests a potential role for nattokinase in blood pressure management. When it comes to obtaining nattokinase from food, one source stands far above the rest: natto. This traditional Japanese dish is the only significant dietary source of the enzyme. The specific bacterial strain used in its fermentation, Bacillus subtilis var. Natto is uniquely efficient at producing nattokinase. It breaks down proteins in the soybeans during fermentation. A typical serving of natto, around 50 grams, can provide a substantial amount of the enzyme, often far more than a standard dietary supplement. In addition to nattokinase, natto is exceptionally rich in vitamin K2, specifically menaquinone 7, MK7. Vitamin K2 plays a vital role in cardiovascular health, helping direct calcium away from the arteries and into the bones. The accumulation of calcium in arterial walls leads to stiffness and is a major heart disease risk factor. The Rotterdam study from the Netherlands found high dietary vitamin K2 was linked to reduced coronary heart disease and aortic calcification. Natto contains one of the highest known concentrations of MK7 of any food. For those new to natto, its powerful aroma and sticky consistency can be a significant hurdle. The traditional way to prepare it in Japan often involves vigorously stirring the beans to increase their stringiness, then mixing in the small accompanying packets of Karashi Japanese mustard, tare, a J soy-based sauce. This mixture is most commonly served over a bowl of hot steamed rice for a quick and nutritious breakfast. The neutral canvas of the rice helps to balance the intense flavor of the natto, making it a good starting point for beginners. Adding classic garnishes like chopped scallions or a raw egg yolk can further enhance the dish. If the traditional preparation is too challenging at first, there are many ways to incorporate natto into more familiar dishes to help mask its potent flavor and texture. Mixing a small amount of natto into a strongly flavored sauce, such as a spicy mayonnaise or a robust curry, despite its potential benefits, nattokinase is not appropriate for everyone. It is crucial to approach it with an understanding of its potent biological effects. Because nattokinase has fibrinolytic or clot-dissolving properties, it can thin the blood. This means it has the potential to interact with anticoagulant and antiplatelet medications, commonly known as blood thinners. Always consult your health care provider before taking any supplements.